ॐ सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अद्य वयं चतुर्थपाठं पठामः। आरम्भं कुर्मः। First is the Sukti. So in this Sukti is what? मनस्वी कार्यार्थी न गणयति दुःखं न च सुखं. सो मनस्वी कार्यार्थी, मनस्वी इत्युक्ते somebody, some bold person or धैर्यवान वा यः मनसि एकं मनसि दृढविश्वाससहिते सः किञ्चित् कार्यं कर्तुम् इच्छति. एक दृढसङ्कल्पेन सः कार्याणि करोति. तादृशमेक मनुष्यः, तादृशमेक जनः मनस्वी कार्यार्थी. कार्यार्थी इत्युक्ते सारी मनस्वी इत्युक्ते मनसा यः कार्यं करोति. From the heart he really wants to do something. Okay, manasa, he wants to do that work. He is quite he says yes, I want to do this work. Okay, that kind of a person. कार्यार्थी इत्युक्ते यः दृढसङ्कल्पेन कार्यं कार्याणि करोति, सः एव कार्यार्थी इत्युक्ते. न गणयति, गणयति इत्युक्ते कौण्ट्, कौण्ट्स्. दुःखं न च सुखं. दुःखं, we know, the sorrows or the happiness or his comforts, he doesn't look into that. So a manasvi, a bold person who wants to do some work, who is aiming to accomplish a work, a task, he never bothers about what any kind of difficulties or any kind of comforts that come in his way to accomplish the task. यः धैर्यवान् अस्ति सः यः मनसा कार्येषु मग्नाः अस्ति, सः किं करोति? तस्य मार्गे किमपि वा विघ्नाः भवन्ति, सः अनेके विघ्नाः भवन्ति चेदपि सः तान् न गणयति. ओके, सः दृढसङ्कल्पेन तस्य लक्ष्यं प्राप्नोति. सो दैट इज व्हाट धैर्यवान् मनुष्यः तस्य कार्यसिद्धिमार्गे आगन्तुं सुखदुःखविषये न चिन्तयति इति. अस्तु. अस्तु, अद्य वयं विधिलिङ्गलकार विषये किञ्चित् पठामः. So we have already seen lot of lakaras, no? Lat lakaram, Rit lakaram, Lot lakaram, Lang lakaram. All these things we have already seen in Pravesha itself. Now we will see about the Vidhiling lakara. Now in this Vidhiling lakara, now here we have a sentence, Balakaha pathati. The boy reads. Isn't it? This is what Lat lakara rupa. Lat lakara. What does this mean? The boy is reading. I know that this boy is reading right now. So boy is reading. But now what I see is Balakah pathet It means the boy might read. I don't know if he is going to read, but he might read. Okay, when this kind of a sentence comes, where you have the probability. Okay, yes, he might do this, he might go, he might read, it might rain. Okay, when this kind of situations come, then you have this vidhiling lakara rupam, which is balakah pathet. Similarly, Ramah gachati. Rama goes. Latlakara rupam. Ramah gachet. Then gachet means Rama might go. Vidhiling lakar. So all these are what sambhavana. There's a probability. There's a probability that he will do. Okay. And one more thing we should also understand it this vidhiling lakaraha is not just used with this kind of, even though right now in parichya we have it in this way only in sambhavanarthe ling lakaraha iti bhavati, but it is not like that. Like lot lakaram you can use it for an order, a request, an agnya, isn't it, prarthana. For all these also you can use vidhiling lakara. Now I can also say uh, like aham aham atra gacheyam. Okay. Aham atra gacheyam. It means what? I will go or I shall go. I shall go. So it is not a sambhavna. It is not that I might go. No, I'm saying I shall go. Okay. So in that meaning also you can use the vidhiling lakara. So let us not confuse too much. Let us right now for the time being stick to the book and say this is for sambhavana. Sambhavana ityukte some kind of yuham, isn't it? Some uncertainty. If those things are there, then we use the vidhiling lakaraha. Okay, so sambhavana, probability. Okay. So in parasmaipadi rupam, let us see how the declensions come. So we'll see the pat dhatu. Okay. So in prathama purusha ekavachanam we have pathet. In dvivachanam we have pathetam. In bahuvachanam we have patheyuhu. अस्तु पठेत पठेताम पठेयुः. मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनं पठेः. द्विवचनरूपं पठेतं. बहुवचनरूपं पठेत. उत्तमपुरुषे पठेयं पठेव पठेम. Okay, पठेत पठेताम पठेयुः पठेः पठेतं पठेत पठेयं पठेव पठेम. Okay, any doubts in this till now? This much is clear?
आम भगिनी.
Yes, ma'am.
So now here what we can see is, let's see how it is being derived. So what is the pratyaya that we are adding with pat dhatu? With pat dhatu we are adding et. Pathet. How does this come? Pat adhikam et. Pathet. Okay, this is for the regular parasmaipadi dhatavaha. Okay. Pathetam. How do we get this? Pat adhikam etam. Pathetam. Then you have patheyuhu. Pat adhikam eyuhu. Patheyuhu. पठ अधिकम एहे पठेहे. पठ अधिकम एतम पठेतम. पठ अधिकम एत पठेत. पठ अधिकम एयम पठेयम. पठ अधिकम एव पठेव. पठ अधिकम एम पठेम. Clear? So this you can use it, this format you can use it for any of the dhatus. Likh. So how do we say likh adhikam eta? Likhet. Likh adhikam etam. Likhetam. लिख अधिकम एयुः लिखेयुः, एहे लिखेः, एतं लिखेतम्, एत लिखेत, एयं लिखेयम्, एव लिखेव, एम लिखेम. If you remember this also, it will be easy for you to derive any dhatu. Okay, so this you can note down. So this is what it is. Okay. Now let's see the Atmanepadi dhatu. Parasmaipadi is clear for you. What I mean by this? This is the pratyaya which is added to the pat dhatu. When you add this, you get this form. This much is clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will see the Atmanepadi dhatu. So now you see, in Atmanepadi we will take the Vand dhatu. Let's see how Vand dhatu is derived. So in Prathama Purusha it becomes Vandeta. So in Pat what did we see? Pathet. Here ta. Vandeta. Fully you should say Vandeta. Vandeyatam. For Dvivachanam, it is Vandeyatam. You should be very careful with this. There is a Ya. Vandeyatam. Vanderan. Okay. Madhyama Purusha. Vandethaha. Dvivachane. Vandeyatham. Bahuvachanam. Vandedhvam. उत्तमपुरुषः वन्देय वन्देवहि वन्देमहि. Okay, so again here how it is derived. Vand dhatu plus eta gives you vandeta. Vand dhatu plus eyatam gives vandeyatam. Vand plus eran vanderan. Vand plus ethaha vandethaha. Vand plus eyatham vandeyatham. Vand plus edhvam vandedhvam. Vand plus eya vandeya. Vand plus evahi vandevahi. Vand plus emahi vandemahi. Like that we can get for any dhatu. Say for example we have let's take kamp dhatu. So kamp dhatu, kamp adhikam eta, kampeta. Kamp adhikam eyatam, kampeyatam. Kamp adhikam eran, kamperan. Kamp adhikam ethaha, kampethaha. Kamp eyatham, kampeyatham. अत्र कंपेध्वम एय ऐड பண்ணா वंदेय அதே மாதிரி कंपेय एवहि वंदेवहि वंदेमहि. अस्तु. So this will make it easy for you if you know what is the pratyaya to be added. Okay, usually we won't make any mistake. Okay, this much is clear. Let's see. Parasmaipadi Rupani, I have written what we should be adding. So here you tell me Parasmaipadi Dhatu hai Linglakara Rupani likhata. Likh. Who will tell for Likh Dhatu? Yes, Vijaya Bhagini. Vadato Bhagini.
Ket lik dhatu. Ket ketam likeyuh. Likehe liketam liketa. Likeyam likeva likema.
सम्यक्. अनन्तरं गम धातु का वदति? मीरा भगिनी वदतु.
गच्छेत् गच्छेतां गच्छेयुः गच्छेः गच्छेतं गच्छेत गच्छेयं गच्छेव गच्छेम.
बहु सम्यक्. हस् धातु का वदति? स्वर्णा भगिनी वदतु. वदतु स्वर्णा भगिनी. अन्म्यूट् करोतु.
sorry. हसेत्, हसेताम्, हसेयुः, हसेः,
हसेः
हसेतं, हसेः,
हम्म,
हसेतं, हसेत, हसेयं, हसेव, हसेम.
बहु सम्यक् पा पा धातु का वदति
Ma'am, can I try?
वदतु
Okay. Payat, payatam,
पा
payuh.
धातु इत्युक्ते पिबति पिब इति आगच्छति पिब
Oh, sorry,
अस्तु अस्तु
sorry.
नो
No,
प्राब्लम्
no. Okay, so, okay. So, padatma pibati. So, can we tell like pibat,
पिबेत् पिबेत्
pibet, pibetam, pibeyuh, pibe, pibeyuh. My third one, the
पिबेः
Yeah. So PPA Madhyama Purusa Pibetam Pibet
पिबेत्
Pibeyam
पिबेत see there is a difference
Pibeyam.
प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं पिबेत् मध्यम पुरुष
Okay.
बहुवचनं पिबेत फुल साउंड शुद्धम्
Okay. Okay. Then Uttama Purusa Pibeyatam
पिबेयम्
Pibeyam Yes, Pibeyam Pibeyam Pibeyam.
पिबेयम्
Is it correct, ma'am?
पिबेयम् पिबेयम् उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनं पिबेयम्
Okay. Thank you.
द्विवचनं
Ma'am, yeah, Pibetam.
न उत्तमपुरुषः एकवचनं पिबेयं किल द्विवचनं
Okay.
उत्तमपुरुष द्विवचनं पिबेव
Oh, yes. Actually, this network is good.
नो
So
प्रॉब्लम
maybe you are not. Okay. So Bahubasanam is Pibeyam.
पिबेम only पिबेम य is not there
Pibeyam. Oh, okay.
isn't it
Yeah, that's why I want to know. Yeah. Thank you.
पिब अधिकम् एत पिबेत् पिबेतां पिबेयुः पिबेः पिबेतं पिबेत पिबेयं पिबेव पिबेम अस्तु अस्तु
Yes,
क्रीड धातु का वदति बृन्दा भगिनी वदतु
क्रीडेत् क्रीडेतां क्रीडेयुः क्रीडेः क्रीडेतं क्रीडेत क्रीडेयं क्रीडेव क्रीडेम
अस्तु सम्यक् others you write down okay actually practice everything by writing down okay nam dhatu khad dhatu all these things you practice nam is what
Namati.
namat khad is khadati isn't it
Kadati.
okay now we'll see atmanepadi now first one kamp ka vadati वदतु वदतु मीरा भगिनी
कंपेत कंपेयातां कंपेरन् कंपेताः कंपेयाथां कंपेद्वं कंपेय कंपेवहि कंपेमहि
सम्यक् स्वर्णा भगिनी भाष धातु वदतु इदानीं you say like this सः भाषेत like that you say स्वर्णा भगिनी वदतु
भाषेत
सः भाषेत
भाषेत दानजी
भाषेत सम्यक् एव भाषेत you say it as
भाषेत
सः What is the karta over there? Saha. Saha bhasheta. In dvivachanam, what will come? Tau
भाषेय
भाषेयाताम्. तादृशं वदतु. So you will not make a mistake. Tell Sorna Bhagini.
भाषेत भाषायातां भाषा
Na Bhagini, na Bhagini. No. Okay. I think you try the next one, Sorna Bhagini. Let me see. Vijaya Bhagini vadatu.
सः भाषेत
Hmm.
तौ भाषेयातां
Hmm.
सः तौ ते भाषेरन्
Hmm.
त्वं भाषेताः
Hmm.
त्वं युवां भाषेयातां
Hmm.
यूयं भाषेध्वं
Hmm.
अहं भाषेय
Hmm.
आवां भाषेमहि
Hmm.
वयं भाषेमहि
बहु सम्यक्. अनन्तरं वृन्दा भगिनी वदतु. स्पर्ध धातु.
पद्
स्पर्ध.
पद्धते
स्पर्धते.
सः स्पर्धेत
सः स्पर्धेत.
सः स्पर्धेत तौ स्पर्धेयातां
Hmm.
ते स्पर्धेरन्
सम्यक्.
त्वं स्पर्धेताः
Hmm.
युवां स्पर्धेयातां यूयं स्पर्धेद्वम्
Hmm.
अहं स्पर्धेय आवां स्पर्धेमहि वयं स्पर्धेमहि
बहु सम्यक्. इदानीं वदतु स्वर्णा भगिनी.
सः शोभेत
Hmm.
तौ शोभेयातां
Hmm.
ते शोभेरन्
Hmm.
त्वं शोभेताः युवां शोभेयातां यूयं शोभेद्वम्
Hmm.
अहं शोभेय वयं शोभावहि
शोभेवहि.
त्वं शोभामहि
शोभेवहि.
शोभेमहि
शोभेमहि. Ah.
शोभेमहि
आत्मनेपदी किंचित the confusion है, but it's okay. By practice you will get it. Okay. लभ धातु. वदतु मीरा भगिनी.
सः लभ्यते लभते लभेत् लभेत्
लट्लकारं. Here लभेत.
लभेत्
लभेत.
लभेत तौ लभेयातां ते लभेरन् त्वं लभेताः युवां लभेयातां यूयं लभेद्वम् अहं लभेय आवां लभेवहि वयं लभेमहि.
अस्तु. मोद. का मल्लिका भगिनी वक्तुं शक्यते वा? शैश्मल्लिका भगिनी वक्तुं शक्यते वा? अस्तु. का वदति? वदतु वृन्दा भगिनी.
सः मोदेत सः मोधेयातां तौ मोधेयातां ते मोधेरन् त्वं मोदेताः युवां मोदेयातां. Okay, somebody called. Okay. युवां मोदेयातां यूयं मोदेध्वम् अहं मोदेय आवां मोदेवहि वयं मोदेमहि.
सम्यक् अस्तु just a second, I made some mistake. अस्तु. So this much is clear. So this is for all the regular verbs, all the regular root verbs that we have. For that we use this. Okay. There are some specific vishesha dhatavah api santi. Okay. Where the rupani will change. Okay. Where the form will change a little bit. So here we see karoti. Karoti, the form will change. So here it will not be eth. We cannot say kru and then eth we cannot join like that. So it becomes karoti becomes kuryat. Kuryat. Okay. And bahuvachanam kuryuhu. Okay. So it becomes kuryat kuryuhu. Then uttama purusham is kuryam kuryama. Dadati dadyat dadyuhu dadyam dadyama. Shrunoti shrunuyat shrunuyuhu shrunuyam shrunuyama. Shaknoti shaknuyat shaknuyuhu shaknuyam shaknuyama. Janati janiyat janiyuhu janiyam janiyama. Krinati kriniyat kriniyuhu kriniyam. Here see all are dirgham. Kriniyama. Asti, this is important. Asti syat syuhu syam syama. So syat, how will it be? Syat, if it is there, how will it come? Syat syatam syuhu. Tadrisham. And then syaha syatam syatam syam syam syava syama. Okay. So this much if you know, this is more than enough. Okay. So take out your book, no? In that you have the abhyasa. In the abhyasa, the first one, what is it? Did you all take?
क्रीडति
क्रीडति
Kridati. In Kridati, they have asked you to write what? What is the ling lakara?
Vidhiling.
Yes, very good. Can you tell now Kridati? It will become
क्रीडेत
Kridet. Then second one, Nayati.
त्यजति त्यजेत
Nayet.
Nayet. Nayati, Nayet. Tyajati,
त्यजेत
Tyajet. Then Chorayati,
Chorayet.
Chorayet. Vadati,
Vadet.
Vadet. Pashyati,
Pashyet.
Pashyet. Pashyeta, Pashyet. Upavishati,
Upavishet.
उपविशेत
Upavishet. Vandate,
Vandet.
वन्देत
Vandeta, Samyak, Vandeta. Atmanepadi dhatu. Kathayati,
कथयेत
Kathayet. Shrunoti,
शृणुयात्
Shruniyat.
Shrunuyat. Very nice. Now, come to the third exercise here. Hasanti. Hasanti, Linglakara Rupam.
पश्यन्त्या
लिङ् लकार बहुवचनरूपं कथं भवति?
पश्यन्ति पशुः
अनु?
हसेयुः
हसेयुः, सम्यक्, हसेयुः.
our book it's different
What is the difference, ma?
It is given
पश्यन्ति
pashyanti,
it is
pashyanti, kadati, vandati.
अस्तु, पश्यन्ति. ओके, पश्यन्ति. पश्यन्ति कथं भवति?
Pashyeyuh,
पश्येयुः.
पश्येयुः
खादति.
padet,
खादेत्. सम्यक्. वन्दते.
वन्देत
वन्देत. कम्पते.
कम्पेत
कंपेत. वेरी गुड. आत्मनेपदी धातु. देन लिखन्ति.
लिखेयुः
लिखेयुः
लिखेयुः. वेरी गुड. भवन्ति.
भवेयुः
भवेयुः. करोति.
कुरु
कुर्युः
कुर्यात् कुर्यात्
कुर्यात्. कुर्यात्. कुर्वन्ति.
कुर्युः
कुर्युः. प्रवहति.
प्रवहेत्
प्रवहेत
प्रवहेत्
तिष्ठन्ति.
तिष्ठेयुः
तिष्ठेयुः
सम्यक्. पतति.
पतेत्
पतेत्
सम्यक् सम्यक्. हसन्ति.
हसेयुः
हसेयुः. मिलन्ति.
मिलेयुः
नमति.
नमेत्
नमेत्
शोभते.
नमेत्
शोभते.
शोभेत् शोभेत्
शोभेत. आत्मनेपदी धातु. कम्पन्ते.
कम्पेयुः
कम्पेरन्
कंपेरन्. सम्यक् सम्यक्. बहु सम्यक्. ओके, सो दिस् मच इज क्लियर. सो दिस् इज विधिलिङ्ग् लकारः. कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग so that you get to know. अनन्तरं व्यवहारिकशब्दावली अस्ति. सो पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः कोऽपि पठतु भगिनि. कापि पठतु.
अंकुष्ट, अंकुष्टः. Should I read the meaning also? Should I read the meaning also?
Meaning, obviously. Meaning also.
Okay. Ankushtah is thumb, kattai viral. Mani bandhah, mani bandhah, mani kattu. Murdah, murdah is salai. Murdha. It is murdha is salai.
मणिबन्धः wrist.
Wrist.
एतानि पुल्लिङ्गशब्दाः भवन्ति. एताः. स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दाः.
स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दाः अनामिका, मोदिर विरल, रिंग फिंगर. मध्यमा नडु विरल. दर्जनी आल्काटी विरल. कनिष्ठिका सुंडु विरल. कनीनिका कण्णिन करुविडी.
Pupil of the eye.
मज्जा मज्जै.
Bone or bone marrow. Sorry, bone marrow.
Oh, majjai is bone. Okay.
Majja is bone
Sira
marrow.
narambu. Oh.
Sira
narambu, nerves.
nerves.
Katihi idai.
Waist.
Dantapali pal ear.
Gum of the teeth.
Yeah. Bruhu purvam.
Eyebrow.
Yeah.
Kaponihi.
Ma'am, something here. Oh, there is another word before it. Kaponihi. That is murangai.
Elbow.
Kurparaha. Kurparaha.
Ah.
Kurparaha. Naito kaponihi.
अस्तु अस्तु हा
Nadi is Nadi.
अस्तु नपुंसकलिङ्गशब्दः
Uh, so
पठतु
नपुंसकलिङ्गशब्दाः चिबुकं चिन् करतलं पाम्
हम्म,
कशेरुकं स्पैनल कॉलम अंत्रम इंटेस्टाइन
हम्म,
तालु पैलेट मेलन्नम राम रामश्रु
चमश्रु श्मश्रु
श्मश्रु
हाँ,
श्मश्रु मुस्टाश
mustache
पक्ष्म eyelash
हम्म,
रोम बॉडी हेयर शिरः हेड मेदः फैट
सम्यक् विजया भगिनी वदतु भगिनि
मूर्धा शिरः. Actually, in that is while writing the sentence according to that pullinga or napumsakalinga we have to make of it. Or
correct these are murdha is a okay like they are saying it is a pullinga shabdam. Okay, these are pullinga shabdam, these are strilingam, these are napunsakalingam. They are saying, so you will use, when you are making sentences, you can use it in the same way. You can use the lingam. That is why they have given this, so that you understand.
okay, thank you.
अस्तु now we'll see the chatushlokah. क्षालयामि तव पादपङ्कजं नाथ दारुदृशदोः किमन्तरम् मानुषीकरणचूर्णमस्ति ते पादयोरिति कथा प्रथीयसी. Okay. So here we know what is Chatushloka. So see here what he is telling. Here there's a story. I suppose you all know about this story. This is about Guhan. Yeah. So we know about him. So he had actually helped Lord Rama to cross the river Ganges. Okay. So this is regarding that. This whole thing is from Ramayana. So here what he is telling is Shalayami tava pada pankajam natha darush. So this Guha, he had heard about the Ahalya story, where Lord Rama, what he did when he put his feet on the stone, that stone turned into a lady, right? So he had heard about this. Now what he does, he is a bhakta of Ram only. Okay, so he likes Rama a lot. He respects him. He was waiting for him. He knew that Rama was sent to the forest. He knew all these things. He was waiting for Rama. So when he came, he gave Rama fruits and everything. Okay, he did a lot of seva, and then what he did, now the time had come for Lord Rama to cross the river. So as he was going to get into the boat, he immediately stopped Lord Rama and he said, see, I have to wash your feet. Okay, this was just according to me, it is just that he wanted to wash his feet. So that is why he gave some reason like this. Okay. So when Rama asks, why do you want to do this? So he says, see, I want to do this because I don't know. Your feet is the dhuli, that is the particles in your feet is some kind of a magic, it seems, because you turned a stone into a lady and I have only this one boat. Now if your pada dhuli if that dust comes and falls onto my, if you touch my boat and it turns into some person, what will I do? So, and how will I make you cross the river? So that is why I want to wash your feet. So this is so beautiful. You see, just he just wants to do that. He wants to wash the feet. So, but he is giving this kind of a reason. So he's saying, I want to wash because stone turned into a lady, so my boat can also turn into some person. So, and if that happens, what will I do? So, I want to wash your feet. Okay. Shalayami. I want to wash. What? Tava pada pankajam. Tava, your. Shashti vibhakti. Tava pada pankajam. Your lotus feet. Pada, feet, pankajam, lotus, your lotus feet. Natha, Natha is, O Lord. Daru drishadoho, Daru is wood. My boat is made of wood only. Daru drishadoho, rock. Okay. Daru drishadoho. Kim antaram, Kim antaram. So, what is the difference? Antaram, difference. What is the antaram? What is the difference between a wood and a stone? You change the stone to a lady. So, what is the difference between a wood and a stone? You can very easily turn this wood also into a lady. So, kim antaram? Manushīkarana churnamasti. Manushīkarana. So, something that changes into a human being. Manushīkarana. So, making a human or forming into a human. Churnam. Churnam, the dust. Asti. Te padayoriti. It is there. Te here is Shashti Vibhakti, in your. Okay. Te padayoho asti, in your feet. I have iti katha prathiyasi. So this kind of a story I have heard. Okay, I have heard this story. So iti katha prathiyasi. It's a very famous story, or it is something that I have heard. It's quite well known to everybody. Okay, so that is what he is saying here. Okay, so Sri Ramaha Sita Lakshmani Lakshmanayoho Saha Vanamma Gachat. I'm just trying to tell in Sanskrit also, so that slowly you should build in your language skills also. See if you can understand. Last time you didn't understand what I said. Okay. Guha Ramasya Rajyat Nirvasanam Mata Ahalyayaha Shapa Vimochanam Prasangam Shrutavan Asit. So he had heard about Lord Rama leaving the leaving his rajyam, leaving his country, and also he had heard about what Mata Ahalya's the Chapa Vimochanam. She was freed of the curse, isn't it? That is that stone story. Saha Ramasya Agamanartham Pratiksham Kritavan Asit. Yada Rama Lakshmana Sitaha आगच्छन्ति तदा सः तान् बहु हृदयपूर्वकं सेवां कृतवान् आसीत्. So he did a lot of seva to them. तदा अन्यस्मिन् दिने रामं नदी पारं करणीयं. So he had to make him cross the river. यदा रामः नौकायां तस्य पादस्य स्थापनं कर्तुं अग्रे आगच्छति तदा गुहः तम् अवरुद्ध्य तस्य पादसेवां कर्तुम् इच्छति. पादस्य क्षालनं कर्तुम् इच्छति. सः उक्तवान् किम् उक्तवान् भवतः पादधूलिः मम नौकां स्पर्शति चेत् मम नौका मनुष्यरूपेण भवति इति किल यथा भवतः पादस्य स्पर्शेण एव शिला मनुष्यरूपेण परिवर्तनं भवति मम नौका तादृशं भवति चेत् अहं कथं भवान् नदीपारं करोमि अपि च एषा एव मम सम्पत्तिः आसीत् इति सः उक्तवान् उक्त्वा किं करोति रामस्य पादस्य क्षालनं करोति. So here also it is written in your book, you will have the meaning also in English or Tamil or whatever book you are having. So whereby he says he is afraid that my boat will also become a human. It might also take a human form. So that is why I want to wash your feet so that there is no dust. Okay. So this is clear. Chatushlokah. Shall we go to the next one? Astu. Samasya. एकोनविंशतिः स्त्रीणां स्नानार्थं सरयूं गता 20 पुनरायाता एको व्याघ्रेण भक्षितः. So here samasya means we know, right? It's kind of a riddle. So here what is the riddle? It is saying ekona vimshati means 1 less than 20. So it becomes 19. So 19 strinam. So the ladies, they went to Sarayu. Sarayu Nadi is there. They went there. For what? For snanartham. So they went to take a bath. Gata. Vimshatihi punarayata. 20 came back. 20 came back. Eko vyagrena bhakshitaha. One was eaten by the vyagraha. One was eaten by the tiger. So this itself is a riddle. 19 went to take a bath, but while returning 20 people are coming, and in that too one is also eaten by the tiger. Now how is this possible, isn't it? So that is what. So here we know that in samasya, how can we find the how can we solve the riddle? Either by अक्षराणां विच्छेदनं कृत्वा अथवा योजनेन अथवा क्रमस्य किञ्चित् परिवर्तनं कृत्वा वयं समस्याः परिहारम् अन्वेष्टुं शक्नुमः किल. So now let us see. So it is like what? Either you can split the word vichedam krutva, you can split the word yojanena, or by adding then you get the answer, okay, or you by rearranging or by rearranging. So kramasya parivartanam krutva api vayam samasyaः परिहारम् अन्वेष्टुं शक्नुमः. So here we can find the answer. Now here what is the problem? Let us see. एकोनविंशतिः स्त्रीणां. So here is the twist. एकः न विंशतिः स्त्रीणां. We have to split the word ekona. Okay. So this ekona we can split it as ekah na vimshatihi strinam. So na here means man. Okay. Na means man. Na narau naraha. This is a rikaranta nru shabda. Pullinga shabda. So which means man. Okay. Naraha tadrisham api asti. This is also a shabda. So here ekaha na. So it becomes ekona because of the visarga sandhihi. So na means man. So ekaha, so one man. Vimshatihi strinam, 20 ladies. Now you see the meaning becomes very clear. One man and 20 ladies went to the Sarayu Nadi for taking a bath. Vimshatihi punarayata, 20 came back. Ekaha vyagrena bhakshitaha, one was eaten by the tiger. Now this makes sense. Okay. So now, is this clear?
Ma'am, will you please repeat that naraha, narau, naraha? Am I right, ma'am?
That is there, ma. That is a
Okay.
different word. This is a different word. This
No, I
is
just
a
wanted to take it
Nrikaranta
out.
Nru Shabdam. This is Nrikaranta Nru Shabdam. Here it is a Pullinga Shabdam where it comes, the forms come as Na, Narau, Naraha. Here the Nru Shabdam, the form is Na, Narau, Naraha. So that is why this Na means man. So ekaha na, one man. Vimshatihi strinam, 20 ladies. So 21 people together. They went to take a bath. Vimshatihi punarayata. So 20 came back. One was eaten by the tiger. So that is the solution for this samasya. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll stop here today. If possible, I'll send some exercises for the Vidhiling Lakara. Okay. Please try to do that. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ. अस्तु. We'll meet in the next class.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಭಗಿನಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Ji.